What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle reaction videos, turn motivation into millions, and the Hussle family. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, which means all you gotta do is click one of the links and it'll direct you to my official social media platform, whichever one you click on. Beware, I got a lot of fake social media platforms out there. I got a lot of fake IGs, got a lot of fake Telegrams, got a lot of fake YouTubes. You call it, you name it. So, please be aware, if any King Hussle on Telegram page writes you, that's not me. I'm not gonna write you, period. So if any King Hussle page writes you, point blank, period, that ain't me. Second, I don't got 60,000 followers on IG. I got 29,000 followers on IG. If any IGs, King Hussle IGs write you saying, yo, what's up? You trying to make some money? I got it. That's not me. Any King Hussle page on IG just selling any dumps, fools, pins, or any of that goofy stuff promoted on that IG page, that's not me. I don't promote none of that stuff on my pages. All professional business. So beware. Any of those pages with any 3, 4, 5, 6 posts, 12 posts on there, that's not me. Please, please, please. And before you send your money to anybody, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face before you send your money. And anybody that's commented under my videos on YouTube, it's a fake YouTube channel. Telegram King Hussle X1, that's not me. So please report and block and make sure you get the right person. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this video started. So today, I'm gonna drop some major gems for y'all because I know a lot of people haven't told y'all this. I haven't seen anybody on YouTube drop this gem right here. I have never heard it before, so I'm gonna be the one to tell you guys this gem. I'm gonna be the one to just put you guys in a position to have this type of knowledge so you can, have a better understanding of what's going on. So basically, I'm gonna drop this gem. So if you're 18, if you're 19, 20, 21, if you got kids, you got, it's a lot of people out there that watch my videos. There's a lot of people that are like, King Hussle, how do I make this money? King Hussle. But when I tell you how to do something, how to like really make guaranteed money, but you just gotta do certain things, y'all don't be wanting to do it. Y'all rather do illegal things to, put y'all in a position to be messed up. So for everybody who's watching this video, everybody who's willing to put a little leg work in, willing to put in the effort and the time and the work and make this $60,000 and make this money, then put people in a position to win, then this is videos for you. And this should be for millions of people out there, because a lot of people out there that just don't know how to make money. They just don't know a guaranteed way for them to be putting their self in a position to make money, invest into their business, invest in yourself, and be blessed. So I'm going to be the one to tell you. So today I'm going to tell you, okay, let's break it down. First of all, if you're 18, 19, or 20, and you just got out of high school, or you're 18 or 17, you're getting ready to graduate high school, you should be thinking about starting your LLC, even if you don't got no money or none of that, because at the end of the day, once you start your LLC, S Corp, C Corp, you're aging it. You're gonna start aging it. So let's say you start your LLC, C Corp, or S Corp when you turn 18, you start it up, boom, boom, boom. You get everything established, you get your virtual address and all that good stuff, and you start aging it. You don't have to you're 18, 19, 20. You don't have to, automatically get this just major funding and all this. No, you wanna age it. You wanna, get it started. And how you're gonna get this money? Okay, this is what you're gonna do. So it's a lot of people that they get out of high school and I don't wanna go to college. I don't wanna do this. I don't wanna go to school. Well, I'm gonna tell you like this. Not a 4-year university, but your local 2-year community college, junior college will pay you. And what I mean by pay you, as long as you're sign up for your FAFSA or your financial aid, and you get awarded, boom, they're giving you money to go to school. Once you get awarded and get money to go to school, you go sign up for your 2-year local community college, and you sign up for full-time students. Some students might be independent, some students might be dependent, which means if your mother, your father, somebody is claiming you on their taxes, you're dependent. If no one's claiming you on their taxes, you're independent. So boom. If you're independent, you're going to get more money. If you're dependent, you're going to get less money, but you're still going to get some thousands of dollars. So boom, you're 18, 19, 20, you just started, you just got out of high school, you just graduated, you have no way of making money, you got to figure it out. So you're going to go sign up for school, you're going to get your FAFSA, your financial aid, you're going to sign up for your local community college. And like I told you guys before, you're going to say, okay, it's a lot of people who sign up for school and they get that first check and they drop up out of school. But nah, you want to continue to get that check. You want to continue to get that money. So what you're going to do is, and this is what a lot of people do. And I'm not telling you to do it, but this is what a lot of people do. They play the financial aid game. They play the numbers game, which means as long as you stay in 60% of that class, 60% of the time of that class, you can drop that class and it won't reflect on your financial aid. So as long as you stay in a class for an extra period of time, you're going to get 3 checks. You can drop the class, retake the class, and have all the answers and pass all the classes and then go on to the next classes. This is just how it works. So boom, what I used to do is, I used to say, okay, I'm gonna stay in this class for 60% of the time. I'm gonna get the first check. 3 weeks later, I'm gonna get two other checks. So the first check was usually like 17 to 2,200, maybe 2,500. And then 3 weeks later, I get 2 more checks and it'd probably be like 3,500 and 2,500 or something like that. Like it'd be some money. So boom, it calculated to $60,000 that I got because I've checked it. So boom. So after the 60% of the time I was in class, I'll drop my classes, every class, and then I go about my days, and then I wait for the next semester. And I retake every exact same class that I had, and I already had the answers and stuff, so I'll already be ahead of the game, right? So I won't have to drop the classes, so I can literally pass this class, pass all my classes, and go on to the next semester and get more checks. So I literally used to repeat the process. I stay in the class 60% of the time, drop it, get the 3 checks, re-register for the same 4 classes the next semester, get the same amount of 3 checks, boom, pass all the classes, then take new classes, stay in 60%, drop them, boom. Just repeat the process till I couldn't do it no more. And I had to change different schools so many times because you can only do it so many times at a school. So once they wouldn't let me do it at that school no more, I went to a new school. And once I couldn't do it at that school no more, I did it and went to a new school. And by the time I went to the 3rd school, I was 1 semester away from graduating. I had maxed out my financial aid, so I just said, you know what, I'm just gonna pay for it, and I paid for it, and I just graduated in December. And this went on. I've been in school. Well, I was in school for about 6 years. Like for 6 years, and just think about it. For 6 years, I knew for sure I was getting some checks. For 6 years, I knew for sure I was getting some type of school money. For 6 years, I knew I was going to get for at least $15,000 a year cash, for sure. And it was spread it out enough so I can be able to do what I need to do. So the first time I got a check, I'm gonna let y'all know. The first time I got a check, when I got out of school and I went up to the community college, I got my check. I got my financial aid check. Boom. I brought me a car, pimped my ride, and I put $3,500 up. Boom. Was doing my little thing. Then the next round of checks came. So the first round of checks came January and February. The next round of checks came August, September, October-ish sometimes, because sometimes your financial will be delayed if they didn't get it. You know, sometimes stuff happens. So boom. So that time I got another $8,000. So I put 5,000 up. So I had like 8,500, and I had a miscellaneous 500 or some money in there. So it was like roughly 10,000 that fast that I had put up, and then I got a crib with the other money. So boom, now I got a car, crib, and I got 10,000 put up. Boom. So now I got 10,000 crib, got my little hustle going on, and I'm in school. Boom, 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 boom. So I kept repeating the process, and them 10s kept turning to 20s, and I'm doing all that. And the money adds up. As long as you focus and doing what you need to do, the money will be there. So boom. So if you're 18, 19, 20, start your LLC. If you're grown and you got kids, this is what I want you to do. I want you to start putting your children on payroll. Hire your kids and put them down as your LLC. Why? Because once they get at 18, 19, they can inherit the business, and it'll be age, and you can be their AU, and their credit will be good, and everything will be A-okay. And this was what a lot of parents never did. We never had parents that put us on their payroll, on our LLC, gave us jobs, paid taxes and all that. And it's a couple of states that won't let you do it. I think it's like Illinois, Texas, and somewhere, a couple other states that won't allow you to do it, but majority of states will allow you to put your children down on your LLC as employees, which means that you got these employees, you can get loans for your employees, and everybody will benefit off of it. Because like I said, you're gonna die with bills, so why not die with the right bills? If you got this $50,000 loan, you got your 10-year-old son down on your LLC, and you paying him as an employee, and now he's building and he's down as this on your business, so when he turned 18, he's using you as an AU, and now he's reflecting your credit on his credit. Now he got a perfect credit score already at 18. Now he can start getting loans and business loans and start doing the things that he want to do and start investing in. If he, you know, that's how it works. So what I want you to do is, if you're an adult, start your LLC. Right now, if you just had to start, you want to get your business and all that, but start your LLC, right? Boom, once you start your LLC, you got your newborn. Okay, build that LLC till that newborn is 18 years old, and put that child out on your LLC. So for at least every year, put at least $1,000 into that business account for that LLC, because now by the time he's 18, you will have $18,000 in that business account for your child, for them to run, for them to start going, and for them to be aged, and they can start getting loans and credit cards and things like that. So start you a business. Start you a LLC, C Corp, S Corp. Get you a business account. Get you a business checking and savings account. Every year, put at least $1,000 in it. Structure it the right way and get you a virtual address. And all these things are cheap. You might even in the meantime even be doing certain things to, you know, build the payday score on it. So by the time he's 18, he has a legit business, he has money in the account, and he knows how to get more money by getting into school and running his business. And by the time he turns 18, whatever the business it is, you're gonna groom him into being a boss for that business, and now he's already a businessman. Easy as that. And let's say you've never been to school, let's say you never signed up for financial aid or got FAFSA. Go sign up and get that money so you can invest into that business. Easy as that. And I know a lot of people have never heard about FAFSA or financial aid or nothing like that. Everybody like, oh, I'm tired of school, I'm tired. Be smart, go get that free money. I mean, it's loans that you're gonna have to pay back, but after 7 years they expire and it goes on your credit. So if you go into school and you graduate and then you gotta start paying them loans back, it reflects on your credit. So if you are paying back those loans, you're gonna have a good credit score. Just get it auto paid out your account. If you're making money, got a job, got a business, and it's lucrative. Easy as that. So that's just some quick gems right quick for y'all, man. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know I'm gonna get back to y'all. I'm gonna get back to this office and get back to dropping these videos, dropping them good premiere videos for y'all. Tomorrow we're gonna have a good collection of videos. I'm gonna get back to these reaction videos, these motivational videos. I'm gonna hit the mall, start doing these interviews. So make sure y'all looking out for that. Make sure y'all tap into them videos. I hope y'all like it. I'm gonna drop these new mixtapes, more music videos. I'm still looking for content creators. I'm still looking for rappers. I'm still looking for actors. I'm still looking for cameramen. I'm still looking for producers. I'm still looking for models for the production company. You got at least 500 subscribers and you got at least 2,000 watch time hours on YouTube and growing. You want to learn how to make money. You want to learn how to make passive income. You want to learn how to make videos all day and get paid thousands of dollars. Tap in, come sign an H&E. I'm going to get you together. We can win together. If you're a model, you want to start making money off your twerk videos. You want to start getting these videos. You want to get your face out there. You want to start even doing new things from podcasting, from interviews, whatever. We're gonna get you out there. We're gonna get you paid. We're gonna make sure we may help you elevate for sure, point blank period. And if you're a rapper, you're an actor, a producer, cameraman, tap in with me. You got good editing skills. You Houston, Texas, surrounding areas, tap in with me. Let's work. Let's get this money. Let's get this production company going, and let's all win together. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle supporters, because without y'all, there'll be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to drop these videos. Y'all motivate me to drop this sauce. And y'all motivate me to keep blessing y'all. So, oh yeah, make sure y'all tap in and get y'all limited gems. $2,000. Y'all get everything that you need to know. FaceTime one-on-ones. And book your seat right now on the crypto tour. $4,500, $500 deposit, $4,000 when we meet in person. So make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all come win. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see y'all next video. I'll see you next lesson. Peace.